Are you okay?
Yes.
Very good. And you are very daring personality, I know. You have courage, you have passion to learn English.
Hello everyone. Hello. I am going to tell you about yesterday routine.
Okay. I'm going to tell about my yesterday routine.
My sister got me up. Then I saw my mama was preparing tea. Then
Then
then I got ready for school.
huh,
I had breakfast. I
went to
went
school
I went to school
by my
my
cycle.
bicycle.
Okay.
Then I reached school.
Uh-huh.
Then I saw prayer was over.
Okay.
Then I entered into class. My class was over. My
Gone.
all classes went well. My
That's
all
it.
classes went well. Then I came my home.
Uh,
Then I changed my school dress. Then I had lunch. I had lunch.
okay, go.
Then I studied for 2 hours.
I studied.
I studied
Learn
for
to
two
do all
hours.
of them for her.
I studied for 2 hours. Then I came to Vista classes.
Uh,
I came to Vista class. I saw many students were my. I saw many students were studying. Then finished.
okay.